In this video, I'll show you how to install Pixelmon on Minecraft. If you are new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. And please do watch this video right until the end so you know the full steps. And without any further ado, let's go and jump into this guide. So the first thing you want to do is go and open up a web browser. So I'm personally using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you would like, and then you want to come to Google. So basically, to go and run Pixelmon, we go and use a mod launcher called Forge. So I'm going to show you how to install Forge, and then I'll be showing you how to go and get Pixelmon into Forge, and then go and how to play it. So moving on from that, all you want to do is come to Google and simply search for something called Forge. That is F-O-R-G-E, just like so, and go and press enter. Then you want to come to files.minecraftforge.net. So click here, and it's going to go and give you a ton of downloads, so just go and accept here. So then all you want to do is come over to the left where it says Minecraft version. So if you didn't know, Pixelmon will only run on 1.12.2 version of Minecraft. So we actually have to go and downgrade our Forge. That's really easy. Simply come to the left where it says Minecraft version, then come down to where you can see 1.12 and then go and click on 1.12.2. So then click here. And then as you can see, it then goes and gives us the downloads for this version of Minecraft Forge. Then you want to go and click on download latest and go and click on installer, and it's going to go and take us to an ad page. We have to wait 5 seconds and then we can go and skip this and get the download. So then go and click on skip in the top right, and then it's going to go and drop the Minecraft Forge download. Just a quick warning, when downloading Forge, you may go and get a pop-up saying this file may be harmful to your computer. This is because it is a Java file. But don't worry, Forge is completely safe. So once you've downloaded it, you then want to go and locate the download. So to do that, you want to go and open up your file explorer and go to your download folder. However, in Google Chrome, it drops to the bottom of your browser. So then all I'm going to do is go and put this onto my desktop just so we can keep organized. And the next thing you want to do is make sure Forge has this Java coffee logo. If it doesn't have this, you need to make sure you come to java.com and you want to go and download Java, literally java.com. Go and download it, and then you can go and open that Forge up using Java. Otherwise, you can right click on it and go and click on open with, and you want to make sure Java is selected. I've already got Java, so I'm going to go and double click on Forge, and we're going to go and get a pop-up. As you can see here, we go and get the mod system installer, and all you want to do is make sure install client is selected and then go and click OK. And then as you can see, it's now downloading some libraries and just going and installing Forge. And then you're going to go and get this pop-up here saying successfully installed client, profile Forge for version 1.12.2 of Minecraft. So then go and click OK. Now let's just go and check Forge is successfully installed by coming and clicking on the Minecraft launcher, or you can go and search for it as well. So here we go, it's just loading us in. Then all you want to do is come to the top bar and go and click on installations. And then all you want to do is look for Forge. As you can see, here it is, and it is the correct version as well. It's 1.12.2, and we can go and check this out. Now, one quick thing we want to go and do is simply go and click on these 3 dots here on the right hand side, and then you want to go and click on edit, and then you want to go and click on more options, and here we've got the Java executable bit. So under the JVM arguments, here we've got XMX2G. Now this means 2 GB of RAM. So if you can, it's probably worth increasing this RAM a little bit. The rules of increasing the RAM is you don't want to use more than half of your RAM. Personally, I've got 16 GB of RAM, so in theory I could go up to 8 GB of RAM. But for this guide, I'm just going to use 4, but just make sure you don't go over half of your RAM. Then go and click on save. Now we've successfully installed Forge, we can come and close off Minecraft. And we want to come back to our search browser. So here we are back on Google. The next thing we're going to go and download is the Pixelmon mod pack. So of course, all you want to do is come back to Google, and then all you want to do is go and search for Pixelmon Mod, just like so. Then make sure you come to the official website, which is the pixelmonmod.com. So click here. And then of course on the top bar, you want to go and click on downloads, just here. And then we want to go and find the latest version, which is at the top, which was released on the 22nd of December. So then all we're going to go and do is come over to the right, we've got this download section, and go and click on download. Then it's taking us to a new tab, and all you want to do is go and click on download Pixelmon latest, then click here. Then it's going to go and take us here, and then you simply want to go and click on download once again, and we're going to go and get taken to a sort of another ad site, and we just have to wait a few seconds before we can go and download it. So go and click skip, and boom, it's now dropping the download just down here, and it is quite big, coming at around 364 megabytes. So it's now finished downloading, so all you want to do is locate it in your file explorer in the downloads folder, or if you're on Google Chrome, you can simply just go and drag it out of your browser, and I'll put it on my desktop. So there we go. So now we want to go and close off Google Chrome, so I'll just do that now. And the next thing you want to do is simply go on your keyboard, is go and press the Windows key plus R. Then you're going to go and get this option to run stuff. And you want to simply go and type in %app data percentage and go and press OK. And it's going to take you to your app data, and you simply want to go and find .minecraft. As you can see, mine is the second one down. So I'm going to go and double click on this here. And then as you can see here, we've gone and got a ton of files. Now don't get worried. All you want to do is locate the mod. So here is mine just here. However, if you don't have one, don't worry. All you want to do is right click and go and press new. And you want to go and create a new folder and simply go and call it mods. I'll just delete mine currently now and show you how to do that. So come to new, then folder, and it's going to go and create a new folder, and then simply just go and name it mods, just like so. Go and press enter, and we've gone and created this folder. So then you want to go and double click into it, and then you simply want to go and drag the Pixelmon Java file we already downloaded, and then drag it into here, and boom, it's now in there. So then you can close off this and we can go and launch Minecraft. So double click on the Minecraft launcher, and then come to the bottom left and make sure you've gone and selected the right version of Forge. So I'll select there, then go and click on play, and then it's going to go and launch Minecraft, and I'll go and show you what it's going to look like. So it's now loaded, and all you want to do is go and click on mods just to check Pixelmon has loaded. So go and click on mods and we want to scroll down, and boom, at the bottom we've now gone and got Pixelmon. So then you want to go and click on done, and let's go and create a new world and go and check this out. So once you first load into a world, you're going to go and get a bit of information from the mod. As you can see, it's telling us all about the different Pokemon, and it's going to say it's basically a fan-made mod. So as you can see, you can go and choose your starter Pokemon. So I'm just going to go and choose a random one, and then go and click on begin your adventure. So as you can see, I'll have to go and change the GUI scale, but this is honestly really cool, guys, and honestly there's so much to the game.